What's good, YouTube? It's your boy G1GB Nigel back here with another video, and today gonna be giving a review on Dynamo Queen, what I like about it, why I did the wrap, all the good stuff, and also y'all seen it from the title, new car and new build. It's on the way to the channel. If this is your first time seeing me on the screen, please make sure you hit that sub button, drop a like, drop a comment. Let's go. Sadly I don't race it, but there you go, just a show car, just for the kids.
You look real nice.
Thank you, man. I definitely appreciate it. But this is it, man. Y'all see it? She a little dirty. I know y'all probably can't see it on camera. But for starters, I got to start off with it, man. The blue on this car goes so hard. Man, like, if I didn't have any Lightning McQueen decals or Dynamo decals, the car would still be tough by itself, even without nothing on it, just being plain. Don't mind none of this. I was in an accident last year and I went through, the dude that wrapped my car actually doesn't wrap anymore. He went out of business. Didn't wrap my bumper, didn't finish it. So got to go through the insurance company and get that all sorted and squared away and start over the whole process again. Got Rohana RC10s, 19 by 9.5 in the back, 19 by 8.5 front. Got the decals on the side. Y'all peek me right here though. May y'all see that. Made myself on the car. So, common question that I get all the time is, should I paint my car or should I get it wrapped? I think wrapping is the best way to go. You can get a full wrap job done in at least 3 to 5 days, depending on how booked somebody is. My car was fully done in just about 5 days. Now, if you paint your car, you're gonna be out your car for 5 to 6 months. It takes way more to paint a car than wrap a car. So, you pick your poison. Now, some different cars will require a paint job. If you don't have any paint up under, you still can wrap over the top of it. But if you take the wrap off, of course, your paint is gonna look
some bullshit.
So with that being said, it leads me to the second question that everybody always asks me is your factory paint gonna be affected when I peel off the wrap? To answer your question, no, my factory paint is still fine right up under here. If I was to peel my wrap off right now, you would definitely see my factory color, which is silver. This is the factory color of my car, and I didn't want to do my door jambs because since silver is such a neutral color, it's not really noticeable that I don't have my door jambs painted. That I don't have my door jambs wrapped. But I'm about to go ahead and touch on all the bad things about the wrap. Not too many bad things, but there are some bad things. So, of course, you have the typical rock chips. Typical rock chips, man. There's really nothing you can really do about it. It happens. It's my daily driver. I'm always on the road, always on the interstate, behind big trucks. So it happens. It happens, man. There's really nothing you can really do about it. Unless you just buy another car. I don't know how this happened. I really don't. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do the same thing I did for this. I'm finna do right here. Get creative. Since I got a cartoon car shoot, I can put a cartoon band-aid. And like I said, on the other side, this is, I don't know why it does this. This is a big, huge, it's like a big air pocket. I don't know. Another one right here. Y'all see, this is, I don't know. You can see that there. You can see it right here. Like I said, it has its flaws. What is this? Oh, this is where I took my name off. I don't know, if y'all can help me, please comment below, because I know a lot of people have these eyebrows. How can I get this off? I know y'all see when I have my windshield wipers on. How can I get this off? This just doesn't come off at all. I don't know, is there what special thing can I use or to get this? Is like, it just looks bad. So if y'all know any special products that I can get that off with, man, y'all comment down below. Let me know. I'm definitely trying to get that off. I mean, you can get your goddamn ass off my car, boy. Hope y'all really enjoyed the video. That is gonna do all for this one. I think I touched everything with my wrap. All the bumps and bruises it has, the flaws, the good things. And I still get another car wrapped to this day. People don't want to be out their car 4 to 5, 6 months. You can get your car wrapped in like a week and still get the same look as paint. Y'all make sure y'all turn them bells on, because next video I will be revealing the new car and new build coming to the channel. Please make sure y'all hit that sub button. Y'all drop a like and drop a comment. And until next video, y'all stay safe out here. Bless up.